Welcome to the Partner Business Technical Support Team. My name's Phil and I'll be going through a quick overview as to what overrides are available within the CCT15854 time switch. To engage a override, the way you go about doing that is by pressing the menu button, scrolling to the right until you reach the manual option, press OK, and here you have a number of different options and I'll explain those now. The first one is permanent on. So basically, depending on how you've wired this up, if you've wired it up in a normally open type configuration, the load will remain on indefinitely. The next option is permanent off. So that basically means the load is going to remain off indefinitely. The next option is override on. What this basically means is that the light will remain on until the next schedule, and then the schedules will take on from there on. The final option is a holiday mode, in which you can specify for the loads to remain off for a defined period of time. So what I'll do in this example, I'll be demonstrating a remote on, permanent on, sorry. And the first thing you should see is that the load is on. I've heard an audible click, as well as you've got that permanent signal up the top. So to disengage this, the next step would be to go menu, scroll to, I went one over, manual, and then you've got an option here that's now popped up, stop permanent on. So if I press OK to that, it's gone back to its normal operating process. There is another way of quickly engaging overrides as well as permanent overrides. The way we go about doing that is if you press both of the arrows together for a couple of seconds, it will override the output to on. And you can see that we've got on and override up the top. To cancel it, you just press those two buttons quickly, like just a short press, and it's cancelled it. To have those loads turned on permanently, if you press and hold these two buttons, you'll see that the override turns to a permanent. So up the top here, it went from override and now it's gone to permanent. So it's a permanent on now. To cancel it, press and hold those two buttons for a couple of seconds and it cancels it. If you have any more questions regarding this, please feel free to contact the technical support department. If you do wish to contact the technical support department, just get in contact with one of your Schneider Electric representatives and they'll put you through to the tech support.